Viking Johnson introduces the next generation UltraGrip. A high-performance restrained jointing solution that gets to grips with even the most corroded pipes and provides a 100% seal in all applications. It's easy to install and accommodates a variety of pipe materials ideal for both gas and water projects. It has a life expectancy of 50 years. And now, next generation UltraGrip is available in sizes from DN40 to DN400. The range consists of couplings, reducing couplings, flange adapters, end caps, and P-cat adapters. UltraGrip grips and seals to a wide variety of pipe materials: cast iron, ductile iron, steel, PVC, and of course, PE. Next generation UltraGrip is manufactured in the UK at Hitchin. And Viking Johnson is the only company that offers within its range two alternative solutions for connecting PE and iron pipes across a wide range of sizes. You can choose between the UltraGrip range of couplings and adapters or the UltraGrip P-cat adapter, which contains a factory-fitted and tested transition joint connecting the two materials. The key features of the next generation UltraGrip which set it apart and give it a clear competitive edge in the market are: firstly, a new innovative gasket profiled to give enhanced sealing on even the most corroded pipe surfaces, whether pitted or scored. The unique waffled gasket is available in night trial, meeting EN 682 for gas and EPDM materials approved by RAS, KTW and DVGW for potable water applications. Plus, a progressive gripping mechanism that increases its end load restraint capabilities as the internal pressure in the pipe increases. One gripper system suits all recommended pipe materials. In addition, the grippers are removable, which converts UltraGrip to a flexible product to allow for axial movement. The gripper and sub-seal assembly can accommodate up to 44mm pipe outside diameter variation depending on nominal size. Last but not least, UltraGrip has a new robust design that protects and retains the plastic components both during installation and for the life of the product. Next generation UltraGrip has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it meets and exceeds industry standards. For water application, sizes from DN40 to DN300 have a rated working pressure of 16 bar. DN350 and DN400 have a rated working pressure of 10 bar. For gas projects, a working pressure of 5 bar is achieved across all sizes. Viking Johnson has its own design engineers and in-house test cell facilities. Alongside regular tests to confirm the strength and integrity of the products, additional programs are run, such as accelerated aging tests to prove that Viking Johnson couplings will stand the test of time.
During the accelerated aging test, the product is assembled to a length of pipe, and within that pipe we hold water under pressure, and that water is heated to 80 degrees C, and that's then held for 1,000 hours. So
how well does the next generation UltraGrip perform against industry standards? The following tests were all witnessed by Lloyd's Register. Firstly, how does UltraGrip perform to the European standard for water applications? As you can see, a pressure of 29 bar is easily achieved on new pipe. Next, we move on to an air test, which is much more demanding than water, with the European standard requiring a pressure of 12.5 bar on new pipe. Again, UltraGrip passes with flying colours. In practice, however, even new pipe materials can get scratched and damaged during handling and installation, and it is often the case in repair situations that contractors are connecting to pitted and corroded pipes. So how does Viking Johnson ensure that tests accurately reflect site conditions? Viking Johnson tests its product against a gas industry standard of 7.5 bar on knurled and grooved pipe that simulates pitted and corroded conditions typically found on site. You can see for yourself the amazing sealing and gripping capabilities of UltraGrip.
The test for gas applications, we tend to use nailed and groove piping, which simulates corroded pipe, because most of our products are used on a corroded pipe situation. In the trench situation, gas engineers are actually testing for any ppm, and the instruments they use tend to be accurate to around about 10 ppm.
Where many of our competitors struggle, the new Viking Johnson range leaves utility suppliers with long-term peace of mind. So, even against this most exacting standard, you can see that the next generation UltraGrip demonstrates its ability to perform under the most demanding situations. Viking Johnson would like to thank Lloyd's Register for witnessing these tests. Site conditions can vary, but the next generation UltraGrip is easy to install in the most challenging situations. The product is pre-assembled to allow for quick positioning over top and bottom tolerance pipe, with captive bolts requiring only a single spanner for tightening. Reversible bolts also offer the ability to deal with tricky site requirements, such as confined spaces. The new UltraGrip range of wide tolerance pipe jointing products continue to exceed industry standards and deliver a new benchmark in performance and reliability. Now available in larger diameters up to 400 mm, next generation UltraGrip delivers a total solution for repair and jointing applications. Viking Johnson is a leading brand of crane building services and utilities. Viking Johnson is one of the leading brands of crane building services and utilities, and the business is an industry innovator in the design and manufacture of mechanical couplings and flange adapters, pipe repair products, flow control solutions, and expansion joints.